Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting. And today we're going to do something for Valentine's Day. That's the next holiday coming up. And as you know, crafters always have to be one step ahead. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ceiling fan right here, as you can see, with this project. Now this project, it's going to be a plaque, right? This is my ceiling fan. I have quite a few pieces of these left. I did a video, if anybody want to check it out, using the ceiling fan. I believe it was 2 years ago, which came out really cute. So we're going to try it, we're going to try it now. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need, like I said, if you want to do this, an old ceiling fan that you didn't throw away. Mine was this color brown. I didn't paint it. All I did was use alcohol to clean it. I used some of these foams here from Dollar Tree. I used my cookie cutter heart, a small one, and I cut out these hearts and I paint them white and red. For Valentine's Day, it's still kind of wet. And you're gonna need some type of teddy bears, or some of those beers back there, or anything you want to put on this ribbon, which I used to put on the teddy bear. Yeah. So you can bling right in. And I'm thinking about putting, taking my ribbon and put it across my ceiling fan, just for a little bling, and maybe use this bling for something else. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this bling, or how far I'm going to take this bling. But once again, keep your old ceiling fans. They are such a pleasure to work with. I'm not painting it, like I said. It don't need, a paint job. But if you wanted to, you can paint, paint it white or any color you want, because it will hold up with the paint. And it actually looks very cute with paint. Tried it with the paint. So yeah, guys, if you want to do this project, those are some of the things you're going to need. So to not take too long with this project, what I did was I cut out the hearts already and painted them and all of that good stuff. So I'm not sure if I know I'm going to put 2 on this side and maybe 2 on this side. So you know what? Let me just stop talking and let's get started. Project here. So you guys can just follow along. If you like it, let me know. If we should have did something different, you could tell me that too. So first thing I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to put my ribbon down across the top and across the bottom. going to do now is we're going to glue the hearts down. And we're going to do something like this, right? And the reason why I am doing it like this here, in case you want to hang it, you put your tools in the back. That's your brackets I'm talking about. You put your brackets in the back, and you can hang it from any room in the house. And if you don't have brackets, you can actually use some string, some ribbon, some string. But let's just glue these hearts down. And this project here is so quick and easy once you have your hearts. If you don't want to make your hearts, you can go to Dollar Tree. They have some hearts there. They're just a little bit smaller, but they'll serve the purpose. I just purchased some. I don't know where I put them at, but they have the ones that's on a stick down the teddy bears, because I believe I used those teddy bears with glue before, and yeah, I didn't have a problem with them. I just pull it up and go back to using it again. And guys, the sky is the limit when it comes to these projects here, or when it comes to using your ceiling fan. I'm telling you, these things are great. Please don't throw them away. They could be used for baby showers. You can put the baby name, weight, and height, and date, and all of that on the ceiling fan, and put the hardware on the back and have them hang it. You could put a wedding anniversary, you know, Christmas, Thanksgiving. You could just, if you have a Cricut machine, you could just jazz this thing up. This will be my second one, but I have 3 more or maybe 4 more blades that I am going to use because they are so beautiful to work with. I have to paint the ceiling fan. I love this color. I loved it up in my ceiling, and I love it even more now that I'm working with it. So yeah, just, you know, just don't throw away your ceiling fan. If you're planning on throwing it away, let me know. I'll come pick it up. Okay guys, so let's finish off this video. I couldn't find the Dollar Tree hearts that I purchased. They're somewhere in here, and as soon as you need them, you know you're not going to find them. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this teddy bear down. I don't want them too close to the hearts because I want you to be able to see the hearts. So I'm trying to level them out. So okay, that's perfect here. So we're just going to put some glue on the back here. Just enough so if you want to, you can use them again. So we're going to sit him. I'm going to give you a little look on how it's going to look hanging from the wall. Just like this. Isn't it cute? I believe it's so cute. Something simple, something so cute. So let me finish it off here. I need to put some here because he looks like he's going to do a little lean and a little twist. And we don't want him coming off, especially after we have him hanging from the wall. Okay? Now, I was thinking of putting the heart like that in this plaque. Then I'm not going to because I think I want to leave it just like this here. It's so cute. I think I want to leave it like this so you guys can see it. Isn't that the little cutest thing you see? Now picture that hanging from a baby's room. It's kind of crooked here, right? He's hanging from the baby's room on the wall. And again, you can use any colors you want. Dollar Tree have all kind of teddy bears, all kind of colors. Like I said, you can pick up the hearts if you want, but this is something quick and easy that I wanted to do. And if I get a chance, I'll put a picture of the hardware that you can stick on the back. And let me just show you the back right now where you can put your hardware. So this is the back, and the hardware can go on each side. And you just hang it from the wall. And if you don't want to do that, you could take the same ribbon here and just put a piece there and put a piece here and have it hang it from the wall. That'll be up to you guys. But guys, I think this was a cute one here. Now guys, if you like this video, you know what I'm going to tell you to do, right? If you like this video and you think I deserve a thumbs up, give me a little thumbs up. That will encourage me to bring you more cute and fun and quick and easy projects. So guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Craft, and if anyone's looking for a crafting group, that is the name of my crafting group, Roslyn's Journey Through Crafting. So guys, come on over there and we have some fun. But right now, this is it.